Okay, hi guys, thanks for watching. And in this video, I'm going to talk about YouTube. All right, and I've put together a brand new training right here for you to download for 100% for free, where you can download and get started with YouTube and learn how to crush it on YouTube. For me, YouTube has been the absolute #1 place for generating leads and signups to my online business. And without exaggeration, I tell you that YouTube has delivered thousands upon thousands of quality signups to my online businesses. I'm not talking about people who just sign up and do nothing. I'm talking about specifically YouTube allows me to generate signups with people who are ready to take massive action and who have been some of my biggest action takers in my team in my various businesses that I've been involved in over the years. And this particular report will not only teach you how to crush it on YouTube, how to generate traffic and build up a channel. First things first is before you're going to be able to do any of this, you're going to need to build up that channel. You're going to get yourself out there, get yourself seen and noticed on YouTube, and that's what this free report is going to teach you. So get on the link below, enter your name, your email address, and get on in and download this report right here, so you can start learning how to crush it on YouTube. All right. This is really, really good content, but also the great thing is that you can also rebrand this report. Okay, I'm giving you full branding rights and giveaway rights of this report. Okay, obviously, you get this entire funnel. This entire funnel will become yours. You get the lead capture page, share code there. You get the thank you page. You also get 7-day follow-up messages, and the unique thing about these follow-up messages is not just random emails going out willy-nilly. These emails will actually teach you a full 7-day training course on how to crush it on YouTube. Okay, this is in addition to the actual report that you're going to be able to download. So you get the full report itself, but you also get training within the emails as well, coming on a daily basis. Then of course you get to rebrand the report with the links in the report. So this entire system is not only a lead generation system in a box, but it's also monetized as well. So you get to promote your ClickBank. You got two ClickBank products inside the report that are specific to allowing you to crush it on YouTube. And these are tools, these are software that I use and I've used for years to boost my my YouTube channel. One software is for it's a full-blown online YouTube thumbnail creator tool. All right, and it's what I've been using for many years to create thumbnails on my YouTube channel. And you get all the templates and everything. You get the full-blown drag and drop thumbnail creator. You can also use these graphics for other social media platforms like Facebook and other places as well. So really, really powerful there. You also get another tool if you decide to purchase it. It's up to you, which is the YouTube ranking tool. It allows you to optimize your videos for optimal success on YouTube with suggesting keywords. It actually basically writes out the description, the keywords, and gives you all the suggestions, everything. And it gives you full ranking reports and everything. You can optimize your videos. It's a really great tool. And also, obviously, you put your LeadSleep user ID there, and your Pariba user ID number, and your Team Build Club affiliate ID, because this is for generating traffic and promoting your business. Obviously, LeadSleep is because of this funnel, you're required to use LeadSleep for this funnel. Okay, and that's also monetized. So it's all monetized for you. So you'll be able to earn a decent income with this system in itself. So you can promote it on these platforms, and you also get the advertising platform, so you can actually start promoting this as well. So you've got really everything you need to start generating an income. But also, most importantly, guys, don't forget that this is a report that's giving you valuable information about how to generate and crush it, generate leads and signups and crush it on YouTube. So download the report, get on the link below, opt in, and make sure that you get these follow-up emails that come to you 7 days, the first 7 days. These are training emails training you how to become an expert on YouTube so you can really crush it. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the system, and it's all yours. But make sure that you read the report. That's don't skip the valuable information that's been put here for you guys to help you to learn how to really boost your YouTube channel. All right. Thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.